Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Lindsay. This week, I'm going to be making a floating shelf to go right in between the toolbox and the laser to hold that laptop. And some power strips and everything like that. Let's get to it.
To start off, I just took some scrap wood from my scrap wood pile and cut it all down to size. For this shelf, I'm using 3/4 inch plywood. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to function. Once I had everything cut, just sand down the edges a little bit, and I could start the assembly. And for that, I'm just using pocket holes again. And as I finish mounting this to the wall, now would be a good time to remind you to subscribe to the channel. I added a power strip in the back, and that will be covered up by the plywood. After this shelf cover is finally assembled, I can go ahead and mount it to the wall. I added the lip in the front so that my laptop wouldn't move forward. And underneath this shelf, I have a lot of room still to build maybe a cabinet to hold some materials to be used in the laser cutter. That's a future project. Thank y'all for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Yeah, it fits, I guess. Alright. Oh, hey. Just sitting here with this floating shelf you guys just watched me build that holds that laptop up. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. Now, I kind of feel bad about calling this a shelf because all it does is just hold this laptop up. It's kind of shelfish, like this guy. Boom. You didn't think I'd hit you with that shellfish pun, did you? That's worth a like.